it's me, Prettywitty77, and welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we deep condition our hair weekly while we get caught up on the dish and what happened in hip hop and pop culture through the week. Welcome back if you're I'm gonna say existing customer, girl. Welcome back if you are already a Whitney, but if you aren't, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button because like you want to be. Trust me on this. Anyways, so I've decided that my hair is so thirsty. Like this week has been so rough for me. I feel like I've been wanting to like deep condition like twice. Today's been this week has been one of those weeks, but it's the top of a new week, so I hope you guys had a wonderful one. If you guys are wondering what's going on with my hair, I just detangled and washed my hair. Why was I trying to break that into pieces? Detangled, washed, and yeah, t-shirt dried briefly, so just to absorb a little bit of excess water, and I'm deep conditioning on damp hair. So, and after I get done with my deep conditions, I always sit covered with a plastic bag and I sit under a hooded dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. You know, ooh, I just pulled my earring out. Whitney, you can never do that earring. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. Anyways, yes sis. So I like to start off my weeks with the fist pump news of the week. Y'all, I don't know what's going on in the universe. I know it was a full moon. It was a full moon this week. We had the flower moon. So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But, yes, sis. I'm trying to switch some things up with my deep condition, you guys. I was really thinking that, I know, girl, what are you talking about? I just said fist pump news. But I was thinking about throwing a twist on there. It will feature some news about what happened in hip hop and pop culture, but then it'll tackle other issues, maybe like hair. Maybe I'll answer like questions, really popular hair questions or something like that, or maybe relationship questions. Like I don't know, but I kind of want to put a different twist to it and just like mix things up, because I feel like I've been doing these deep conditions for like a year, and let me know if you guys have been enjoying them. And let me guys know if you would like to me continue doing them, but just add like a different twist to them, so you still get like the most important news. But y'all, these news some weeks be a little skimpy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely leave that in the comment section. I would really appreciate your feedback. But congratulations to Serena. Let's really get to the fist pump news of the week. Congratulations to Serena. So she's back playing her tennis. She competed in the Grand Slam, and she won the first round. I believe Venus won the first round. I believe Venus won, and she advanced. Isn't that what they do? Advance? I believe she advanced as well. But congratulations to Serena. And while we're talking about Serena, can we get into her daughter? Like, I just want to hold her. Like, you know how when you like barbecues or like get-togethers with family and then one person just hold a baby all the time? I just want to hold her baby like that. Like, give her here, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's just so freaking adorable, and she seems to be such a happy baby from what, you know, the media is portraying her as. Like, she seems to be so cute. She's so freaking cute. Like, yes. Anyways, I don't have baby fever. I just really love kids. You know, we love the kids or whatever. But I think that's it for the fist pump news of the week. Like, but let's get to the mess segment, which, you know, this the real messy, just really stories of the week. The most talked about thing of the week. I feel like this is the only thing that's really been popping through the week. Y'all already know Drake and Pusha T. I briefly talked about this on my live Deep Condish. I really didn't know what was going on then. I hadn't heard any of the diss songs, but I'm really caught up, so I guess I can give you guys like my opinion on it now. A lot of people don't know who Pusha T is, and that's just still crazy to me, because like he was like a member of the Clips, you know, that song Grinding, I don't know. But anyways, like y'all know him, but you just not probably used to him as like a solo artist or whatever. I definitely know, but I know y'all know Drake or whatever. So Pusha T been beefing with Drake for years. Not only Drake, but just basically Cash Money, Young Money team. I know he had, you know, some problems with Baby back in the day. I heard it was like over Lil Wayne and his babe. You know how Lil Wayne used to wear like the babes and stuff like that. And Clips or Pusha T claimed that, you know, they was pretending, they was trying to be like him or something. So after that, because I guess he was wearing it too, but I guess Wayne made it kind of like hot. So anyways, he's been really just taking shots at Drake and Baby and like the whole crew over the past decade. He just took it upon himself to make a song about, I think he mentioned Drake or threw a shot at Drake or whatever. But Drake responded, and Drake responded with some heat. And Drake mentioned Pusha T's wife in the song. Now, he mentioned her name, but he didn't mention her in a bad way. Like, he didn't say anything bad about her. He was just saying, he just kind of tied the word ring up into Pusha T giving her ring, being his wife or girlfriend or fiance, I don't know, whatever she is. But I guess that really upset Pusha, because then he dropped, I think Drake also dropped a song called I'm Upset, which really is about a lot of nothing. And that's when Pusha T dropped one. Y'all probably like, what the hell going on? Okay, just follow with me. So then he dropped one talking about Drake daddy, Drake baby mama, who used to be in the adult entertainment field. And yeah, how Drake hiding a baby, and you know, that we don't know about. But honestly, y'all, I been knew Drake had a baby. Like, where have you guys been? I remember months ago when everybody was claiming to be pregnant by Drake. Y'all remember that? And I remember this, it was a black girl with a real popular body. Let me just say that. She had a body like all the popular people on social media. You know, they got the same doctor. And I remember her saying it, and it was this white woman who was saying it at the time as well. Somebody said on Twitter that she got an abortion or so. But I didn't believe it, because I had heard on the Read a couple of weeks ago, I think Crystal mentioned, and the Read is a podcast, y'all, that Drake did have a baby. The lady is, I think she's white. She's from France, I think. But anyways, yeah, so I knew that he had the baby, and I never knew the baby's name or anything like that, or what was going on with it. So, but I know that Drake had a child existing in this world. So when it came out and everybody was like, oh, Drake got a baby, I'm like, where y'all be? Where y'all be? Also, on the album cover of the song that Pusha T did about Drake, when he just kind of went at Drake's producer, who has MS, he went at him, and the album cover was a picture of Drake in blackface for a photo shoot he had done years and years ago when he was like a youth. Curl alert, you know what I'm saying, got a little curl alert going on. But yeah, everybody wants to know what was up with Drake. Why was he in blackface? Turns out he was doing a photo shoot for a company called Jim Crow something, by a black-owned company called Two Black Guys or Two Black Brothers or something like that. I still don't know the full story behind it, but a lot of people were a little outraged about that. Since then, people, because he attacked because he mentioned Drake's dad, like, he going crazy when he going off on Whitney Williams on social media. Like, it's just crazy, y'all. It's crazy. So then, since then, Drake hasn't responded. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Did I miss a song or something? Correct me if I'm wrong, though. Drake hasn't responded back as of yet. Who knows? I don't know if he probably feel a little touched because Pusha T did mention his child and kind of outed him to, I guess, the rest of y'all who didn't know he had a baby, who's rumored to be named Adonis. And y'all know Drake has a clothing, I think he has some kind of deal with Adidas, and it's called Adidon. So people are saying that it's kind of like a spinoff or a play on his son's name, kind of like naming it after his son. But if he have it with Adidas and it's Adidon, then doesn't that kind of deal with Adidas too? It's just adding a done on the end. I don't know, correct? I mean, I think that was a reach, but maybe. But it was also said that Drake been taking care of that girl since she was pregnant, and still now that she's a hurting for anything, and she's taking care of, she getting them coins. Yeah, so that's the tea on that. Also, what I'm really disappointed about, they said SZA, she stopped going to the concerts, the TDE concerts, and I think she tried to do a show in her hometown because they pulled her off the tour. So I guess she came back and she felt like she had to do it for her hometown. But then I guess her vocal cords started messing up, and she went on Twitter, went on a little emotional rant like, oh, my vocal cords are damaged permanently, that's that. Oh, hooray. Like, I guess she was a little mad, but she deleted the tweets. I'm so mad because people were really talking about SZA song. She can't sing no way, and this, and that. I'm like, but it's SZA. That was a real cough, y'all. That was real. But, like, I don't like y'all to talk about her. Like, she's a good person. Why y'all talking about her? But anyways, I think that's all. Well, yeah, that is all for the mess segment. Jumping into Witty Listens. I ain't really listening to podcasts, but I have been listening to Kevin Gates, Changing Lanes a little more often this week. And my witty homework for the week for you guys is going to be Miguel, Told You So. Miguel, Told You So. So I know a lot of you guys like Miguel, a lot of you guys are fans, and you probably already know the song, but I really wanted to highlight this song for people who aren't fans of Miguel, and just let you guys know that song is, it just gives me a very old school feel, you know what I'm saying? And I really like it. Hair alert. Transitioning hair alert. Y'all probably hollering at the screen, you don't have enough conditioner. Y'all stay telling me I don't have enough conditioner. Buy me some. Okay? Anyways, that pretty much concludes this week's Deep Condish. Don't forget to use the hashtag Witty Listens to let me know what you think about it. Also, if you haven't already, you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.